Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And we're here in this 2016 Dodge Charger SRT 392. And we have 80,282 miles on the clock. So today, guys, we're going to be doing an oil change and the oil life reset. So let's check out the oil life. We're at 56%. Customer states they want an oil change. The car's been setting for off and on for a couple months at a time. And they're just wanting some fresh oil in there. They're starting to drive it more often, so they want some fresh oil in. So we're going to be doing an oil change today, even though it's only at 56%. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead, bring you along for the ride to do an oil change in this 2016 Dodge Charger SRT 392. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got the vehicle jacked up and safely on jack stands. You want to shake it a little bit and check it before you go underneath it. We've already did that for extra safety measures, but like I've said before on oil changes, I like to come up here and take off the oil filler cap before I start draining the oil. So we got that done. We're going to go underneath, crack the drain bolt loose, and drain the oil. So in our case, we have a 16 millimeter drain plug bolt. We're going to go ahead and crack it loose. We're going to go ahead and crack it loose. See if we can get our lighting here. Got our drain pan ready to go. We're just going to come over here, and we should be wearing gloves, but we actually just ran out, and we're waiting on some more to come in. Going to go ahead, and there you go. So we're going to go ahead and let this drain out, and we'll bring you guys right back. Okay, guys, so while we're waiting for that to drain out, you want to inspect your drain plug, make sure it's good to go. Put a new washer on it, crush washer if necessary. This one has a built-in gasket. You want to make sure and check it and replace it, or the fastener, or I'm sorry, the drain plug if necessary. So we're gonna go ahead and wait till it drains out completely, put our drain bolt back, and we're good to go. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our drain bolt back in. Just like that. Give it a little wipe down. Wipe down any excess oil that has dripped out. We'll move our pan out of the way. Now we're going to torque our drain plug down to 20 foot-pounds. Click, 20 foot-pounds. So now we're going to tackle the oil filter. Alright, guys, so now we're going to tackle the oil filter, and this is a K&N oil filter, aftermarket, and it's going to be a 27 millimeter nut on the bottom. These are pretty handy with that nut on bottom. So we're going to need two hands to break this loose, but we'll bring you guys right back. Alright, guys, so I lied. It wasn't that. We went ahead and just used a different type of oil wrench to get the oil filter off, because we actually did not have the right one for this nut down here. So anyway, we got it broken loose. Get the light, and we got our oil pan to catch it, and then we're just gonna screw it off. There it is, no big deal. So we're gonna go ahead and let it drain out, and we'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, so for the oil filter, Not a sponsor, but we got Mobile One Extended Performance, part number M1210A. So open it up, and we have our oil filter. Also, we're going to be using Mobile One 0W40. It's going to take 7 quarts, so we're going to go ahead, pre-lube our oil filter by putting some oil in the can, in the filter, screwing it on, and then we're going to pour in some oil, check for leaks, top it off, and we're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and pre-fill it. We're going to take a little bit, rub around on our gasket to create a better seal. Now we're going to go ahead and go under and put this on. All right, guys, so we got our oil filter housing cleaned up, and then we're going to get it out. We're going to take our new oil filter. Hopefully you guys can see. Just gonna spin it right on. You want to get it just hand tight as tight as you can. Sometimes I do like to tighten it just a quarter of a turn with the tool, but no more than that. Definitely no more than that. Hand tight is actually just perfectly fine. So now we're going to pour in some oil, check for leaks, and then we'll bring you guys right back. Now we're going to be pouring in our 5 quarts, check for leaks, put the car on a level surface, check the oil level, top off as we need to, and we'll be good to go. So we're going to continue doing this. We'll get about 5-6 quarts in. It takes 7. We'll get about 5 or 6 quarts in. Check for leaks, and then we will top off as needed, reset the oil life, and we'll be good to go. Okay guys, so we're under the vehicle, making sure we have no leaks. Oh shit. So we're under the vehicle, like I said, checking for leaks. Oil filter and housing is good. Our drain plug is good, no leaks. So guys, we're good to go. All right guys, and we are back. So we went ahead, we showed you guys, we checked for any leaks. We were good to go on the leaks. So we got it to a flat surface and we topped it off. We had to add probably about another quart, and check the dipstick. It's in the safe zone, so we're good there. I apologize we didn't show you that part, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So now we're in the vehicle. We're going to turn the key on, engine off. We're going to reset our oil life. Scroll through the oil life, and all you're going to do is do what it says. Press OK to reset. So you're going to just press, and you're going to hold OK to reset. We're going to come over here to the OK button, hold it, and there you go guys, back to 100% oil life. So there you have it guys. There is how you change your oil in a 2016 Dodge Charger SRT 392. Pretty much all the Hellcats, the Chargers, SRTs and everything are pretty similar. Most oil changes are pretty similar anyway, guys. On the Hellcats, we have a video out on that as well. There's an extra That's just saying there's low on windshield washer fluid. And we're going to turn that off. But like I was saying on the Hellcats, there's an extra oil cooler line that you can drain. We have a video of that up as well. So anyway, guys, this is probably repetitive. We're doing a couple oil changes, but I'm just bringing you guys along the ride because we don't really have a lot of new videos to put out. And this is what we've been doing lately on vehicles, is just keeping up with the routine maintenance, such as the oil changes. So anyway, guys, hope you liked this video. If you guys did, as always, go down there and hit that like button. A lot of my views are coming from non-subscribers. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please go down there, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Helps out growing the channel and with the YouTube algorithm. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and end it there. As always, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.